Hi everyone. Today we will discuss the measuring units and how to convert from a unit to another. As you know, we have different units for the distance like meter, kilometers, and centimeters, and for time, second, minutes, and hours. Speed units, as you know, meter per second, meter per minute, kilometer per hour, kilometer per second, and even also kilometer per minute. How to convert between such units? Okay, so for the distance measuring units, as you know, 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So if we want to convert from meter to kilometer, we will divide by 1,000. But from kilometer to meter, we will multiply by 1,000. Same here from meter to centimeter, we will multiply it by 100, and from centimeter to meter, we will divide it by 100. Okay, so from the bigger unit to the smaller one, usually you multiply, and from the small unit to the bigger one, usually you are dividing. What about time measuring units? From hour, as you know, 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So from 1 hour to minute, we multiply by 60. From minute to second, we multiply also by 60. But from second to minute, we will divide by 60. And from minute to hour, we will divide it also by 60. Okay. Here is an example. How many meters in 2 kilometers? It's very easy. Now, I will convert from kilometer to meter. So, as we agreed, from kilometer to meter, usually I multiply by 1,000. 2 multiplied by 1,000 equals 2,000 meters. When I want to convert from meter to kilometer, we'll divide by 1,000. Okay, so 3,000 meters, 2 kilometers equals 3,000 divided by 1,000 equals 3 kilometers. Okay, for the time measuring units, how many seconds in 2 minutes? How many seconds in 2 minutes? Okay, so now I will make a conversion from minutes to seconds. So as we agreed, from minutes to seconds, I will multiply by 60. So 2 minutes multiplied by 60 equals 120 seconds. So if we want to make a conversion from minute to hours, from minutes to hours, I will divide by 60, right? So 3,600 minutes divided by 60 equals 60 hours. Okay, so when we talk about the speed measuring unit, as we know, speed equals distance over time, like meter per second meter per minute, kilometer per hour, kilometer per second, as we agreed. Okay? Okay. So now, if we're gonna talk about how to make a conversion for the speed units from meter per hour to kilometer per hour. Okay. Now the time unit, no change in the time unit, only in the distance from meter to kilometer. And as we agreed, from meter to kilometer, usually we divide by 1000. So it will equal 30,000, sorry, it's 30,000 minutes divided by 1000 to convert it to kilometers. And this is divided by hour. Same. So final result will be 30,000 divided by 1000 equals 30 kilometers per hour. Okay. Okay. So if he asked me that I need the speed to be calculated from kilometer per hour, okay, to kilometer per minute. Okay, so kilometer per hour to kilometer per minute. Here's the distance measuring unit will not change kilometer to kilometer, but here the time change will from hour to minute. As we discussed, from hour to minute, usually we multiply by 60. Excellent. So if you have 30 kilometers, okay, per hour, 1 hour is so I will convert it to kilometer per minute. 30 will be the same because kilometers and kilometers divided by 1 hour. But 1 hour now I need to convert it to minutes, so I will multiply it by 60. Yes. So it will equal 30 over divided by 60 equals 0.5. 0.5 kilometer per minute. Okay, very good. We have a special case when he asks you in any problem that you are requested to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second. In this case, just memorize it. From kilometer per hour to meter per second, you will divide by 3.6. And from meter per second to kilometer per hour, you will multiply by 3.6. Okay, now a car is moving on a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. Calculate its speed on meters per second. Okay, from kilometer per hour to meter per second, we agreed that we will gonna do it. We will divide by 3.6. Right? Okay. So when you divide by 3.6, it will equal 16.6 meters per second. Okay. I hope that's clear now for the measuring units and how to convert from unit to another. Thank you for your listening, and we'll see you soon. Okay.